Good morning, beautiful people. We are in full-blown holiday mode over here at the Miller household, and today I wanted to show you some fun ideas for how to have a really sweet date night in. This time of year is definitely my favorite, but it's also one of the busiest times of the year, and it can be so easy to get swept away with all the hustle and bustle and just not have time to keep investing in the relationship with your partner. And Steven and I really tried to prioritize having some consistent time together, just the two of us, because when our relationship is strong, it sets the mood for the whole family. So this time of year, we try to find easy, inexpensive ways to keep doing that, and this is definitely one of our favorites. We decided on a movie night on the back porch with a delicious treat and one of Steven's homemade cocktails. Oh, and don't forget the slow dancing in the kitchen. So one of the main ingredients for tonight's treats is from Eggo, which is so perfect because that was totally me and Steven's childhood, so cue all the nostalgia. But we just found out that Eggo partnered with Sugarlands Distilling Co. to create an Eggo-inspired eggnog liqueur called, wait for it, Eggo Nog. Steven has literally been saying, "Lego my Eggo Nog" all week as he's been coming up with some delicious new holiday cocktail recipes. They're seriously so fun and nostalgic and delicious. And if you're over 21, you can go to a retailer near you and snag some for yourself. I'm not even kidding when I say that this is one of my top favorite drinks that Steven has made. Steven's calling it the Espresso Eggo Nog Bourbontini, and it is absolutely perfect. You know Steven is a coffee snob, and he loves to play around with the various coffee drink recipes, and this one is a winner. To make a double serving like we did, you pull 2 shots of espresso, and we made it decaf because it was evening time. Then you add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, 2 shots of Eggo Nog liqueur, and 2 shots of bourbon. Then put it all into a cocktail shaker and add a few cubes of ice. Shake it all up and pour it into a festive glass or mug and top with nutmeg. We were wanting to actually get some of those holiday moose mugs like in the movie Christmas Vacation, but alas, they are not in store quite yet, but definitely on the list for future date nights in. And then to pair with our drinks, I toasted a couple of Eggo's thick and fluffy waffles until they were slightly golden brown on the outside, but still chewy and soft on the inside. And then we whipped up the most delightful sauce that was so quick and easy to make. Just melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar until it's mixed well. Then add 1 shot of Eggo Nog and about 1/4 teaspoon of both cinnamon and nutmeg. Simmer it for a few minutes until it thickens, and then top your waffles with a scoop of ice cream and drizzle the sauce on top. You guys, this is so good. Then we went outside to light the fire pit and candles as the sun went down, and I love being able to make a beautiful, cozy space for yourself during the holiday season. It just makes everything all the more romantic and takes the evening up a notch. So we brought our plates and drinks outside and just enjoyed them around the fire pit and spent some time just talking and laughing and just getting to relax together, which is something you really do have to be intentional about, especially when you have a large family. It's so easy to put the kids first all the time, but we've definitely learned how important it is to make sure that we're valuing connecting with each other too. Also, if you can't tell by now, my husband is a total goober and he makes me laugh every single day. Here in Nashville, it's getting pretty chilly in the evenings, so we pulled out some blankets before turning the lights down and then starting our movie on our projector, and it was honestly one of my favorite date nights we've ever done. So I highly recommend you guys give this a try and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, I hope you guys all have a wonderful holiday season this year. We love you guys so much. We'll see you next time.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back